Did you know that trees can cause droughts? In some regions, trees absorb so much water from the soil that they can actually deplete local water supplies, leading to drought conditions. This phenomenon is particularly noticeable in areas where non-native tree species are introduced, as they often require more water than the local ecosystem can support. It's a surprising twist on the usual narrative of trees being the heroes of the environment. So next time you see a lush forest, remember it might be a thirsty one. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts.